The kidneys are responsible for cleaning the blood, filtering it 24 hours a day. With this, they help control the amount of water and salt in the body, eliminate toxins, control high blood pressure, produce hormones that prevent anemia and bone decalcification, and eliminate ingested substances. Most kidney stones are composed of crystallizations of calcium oxalate, uric acid or calcium phosphate. In many cases, the causes of the formation of kidney stones can be related to poor habits. This is your Health Minutes channel. If is your first time, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and click on the like button. Discover the 10 healthy habits to keep your body free of kidney stones. Avoid excess salt. It is necessary to reduce the consumption of salt in meals, and replace it with seasonings that can keep food tasty and healthier. The person begins to feel the salty taste better, allowing a better enhancement of the other flavors. Control your weight. Obesity is linked to a number of chronic diseases, including kidney failure. Practice exercises, and have a healthy diet, avoiding greasy, industrialized foods and choose a more organic diet. Drink a lot of water. The habit of drinking a lot of water helps in the proper functioning of the kidneys, by removing the toxins in the body. When the kidneys receive little fluid, they concentrate urine as a water reserve. In such cases kidney and bladder stones can form, the famous kidney stones. Control your blood pressure. High blood pressure can make the blood vessels in the kidneys thicker and more rigid. With this there is a reduction in blood flow, making kidney function inefficient. Practice physical exercises. Having an active lifestyle helps with weight maintenance, blood pressure control, and heart and muscle health. Studies also indicate that those who practice physical activity have a lower tendency to develop kidney stones. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Alcohol irritates the kidneys, impairing their normal functioning, and may lead to infiltration of water from the urine into the tissues, and the presence of large amounts of toxic substances in the blood. Cigarette use is linked to diseases, such as kidney failure and kidney cancer. Self-medication without a prescription. The consumption of medicines must be done only under medical prescription. Painkillers, for example, if consumed in excess, can damage kidney health. Reduce sodium intake. Sodium is present in most industrialized products, even those with a sweet flavor, and also in preservatives, sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate, sweeteners, ferments and flavor enhancers. Pay attention to the signs. Some signs such as high blood pressure, diabetes, swelling in the legs or face, renal colic, burning to urinate or lower back pain associated with fever, bad smelling or cloudy urine, and other signs that we have already talked about here on the channel, and you can watch the video. Stay tuned and, in case of appearance of symptoms, seek a doctor. Prevent and treat urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections such as cystitis, bladder infection can spread to the kidneys, so treat them accordingly. Kidney stones can be removed spontaneously, especially those smaller than 5 mm, by daily intake of water, while larger ones require treatment. The ideal is to consult your doctor for an evaluation. I hope you enjoyed it and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.